Hey guys, it's Ben with Exceptional Glass, 888-83 Glass. Today we're in Mountainside, New Jersey. We just completed an inline center-mounted door steam seal unit and a side column panel. And everything here is in polished chrome hardware. And we used top and bottom pivot hinges on this guy. We have our typical D-pull handle that comes included with every project. And we use clamps on this because U-channel doesn't look good. All right. So there's not too much detail or complication about this. We had to center mount the door because of these overlaps here on these knee walls. Some people call them pony walls. Because of that, we center mounted the door. If that wasn't the case, we would probably lean the door more towards one side or another. Or symmetry was where the client wanted to go with more instead of functioning. Going with symmetry, center mounted door would be the way to go. We opted not to put a transom on here. Transom is that little door up top that allows steam to go out because our client already has a steam vent inside of the shower. So, and as you see, it's the Schluter system on the inside, and it is a curbless system. All right. So if you guys have any questions in regards to this design, or you need a frameless shower enclosure, please feel free to give us a call, 888-83 Glass, or visit our website, njglassdoors.com.